Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by planning a compact drum roaster. List all parts, safety features, and measurements before you cut metal. Use a 5 to 5 liter drum for small batches. Select heat-resistant bearings, a motor mount, and ventilation ports sized to your design. Choose a 500 1000 watt heating element with PID control for stable temperature. Include a thermocouple hole and an easy-access chaff collector. Mount a 150-300 RPM motor to rotate the drum, and ensure you can reverse and adjust speed for even roast profiles. Start assembly on a stable bench with safety glasses and gloves. Drill access and airflow openings to your plan, then weld or bolt the support frame. Drill a 5-inch hole for the inlet and one for the exhaust to route air and chaff. Fit the drum on rotors and adjust so the drum balance is within 2 millimeters to prevent wobble. Install a PID controller and thermocouple at bean level, wire the heating element through a relay, and secure all wiring inside a grounded metal box. When first testing, run the empty roaster to check airflow, motor rotation, and PID response. Preheat to 200 degrees C and roast at 180-230 degrees C depending on profile and bean type. Track time and color changes. Stir and log first crack and second crack times, then adjust airflow and heat between batches. Use a 30 to 120 second cooldown with forced air to stop roasting quickly and evacuate chaff. Never leave the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.